Hello, Texas Landscape Curbing. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in Texas, and what I went ahead and did was an audit on your business's online presence. I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things that y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people to actual paying customers. Basically, you want your website to not just be a storefront, but instead be a constant lead generator so that you don't have to depend on someone else to find you new business, like Angie's List, like Home Advisor, Yelp ads, or Google ads. But instead, your website is already bringing people in through the door, or they're calling you directly. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic in business. And remember, I'm here to help you, to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. Some things that we're looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. That being said, let's jump right into it here. Let's start with taking a look at your Google Business Profile, which is basically a snapshot of what your business is all about. And it can bring you a lot of leads as well if it's done right. So what I went ahead and did was a Google search for Texas Landscape Curbing. And then I see your name pop up over here. This is a GBP. It used to be called Google My Business. Now it's a Google Business Profile. You have some photos on here already. You have your name, phone number, address, and all that good stuff. Good amount of reviews. I'm not sure if I said that already. And we'll come back to that in a second. Something else I want to show you while we're on Google is the layout of a Google search and what this means to you. On this Google search, I searched for Concrete Contractors in Houston. At first, you see some sponsored names, and those are people paying for Google ads that are shown at different times throughout the day is what they're paying for. After that, you see this map pack. There's a map with all these places listed on here. And these people's Google business profiles are optimized to where they show up on top. And then there's this organic search result for, once again, Concrete Contractors in Houston. This map pack is where 30% of your business should be coming from. And under that, the organic search, that's where 70% of your business should be coming from. People don't like to search through a list of service companies. They usually pick someone who's on the top of the list because it's more convenient and less time consuming. Now we've got your website, texaslandscapecurbing.com. It's got good bones to it. One thing I see is you guys don't have a lot of content. What this means is you don't have enough wording that people looking for concrete work or landscape curbing in Houston are looking for. Google loves content, and what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages of your website, which also depends on your competition's websites. To add to that, we want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into the Google search bar when looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords that we really want to have on our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. Keywords. You have 41 keywords in your website, texaslandscapecurbing.com. This is what is bringing traffic into your website, Texas Curb and Border. A keyword or a key phrase is what's bringing traffic into your website. Generally, universally throughout the country and or throughout Texas, volume is 30 per month. Traffic per month is 1 visit to your website per month. Going back a second, this here says that you have 1 visit to your website per month on average. The estimated number of monthly visits to your target gets from organic search. Keywords, how many keywords you have in your website. And then we'll go over these in a second. These two show trust within your website as well, which we'll talk about at another time. Now let's take a look at another thing that Google likes to look at. It's called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust to your business by seeing other websites directing traffic to your website. It's literally like a contest where the company with the most weighted and trusted backlinks wins. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and linked to local websites will work best. We're going to go back to your stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks you guys have, and in a few we'll go over how many backlinks and keywords some of your competitors have. You have 8 backlinks pointing to TexasLandscapeCurbing.com from these different sites here. Sometimes you can use interlinks, which will also be pointing towards your website pages from within your own website. So basically, if you go to any kind of article or any kind of website and you see that there's a highlighted word in blue, for an example, you touch that word in blue, then it points you back to another website, or it takes you to another website automatically once you touch that word. That in itself is a link. So we have your backlinks and keywords shown, but what this tool is also showing is that your online presence is bringing you about one visit, or your traffic flow is one visit to your website on average each month. If you have a pen and paper, write that number down: one visit on average per month from your website and through your online presence altogether. Now we're going to go over to citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile. Google Business Profile, once again, this is name, phone number, address is on here as well. Another place we could find that. Yelp, Better Business Bureau as well are 2 big ones. If I look up for Concrete Contractor in Houston, Texas, you see different companies here that are listed. Name, phone number, and address once you touch their name on there. Better Business Bureau. This one has an ad on its own. And then all these have name, phone number, address listed as well. Citations help you rank in the map pack shown earlier when people are searching for a service, which is extremely important for local businesses since this can generate huge amounts of revenue. Other citations include social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. We're going to switch gears here. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, the goal is to outgrow your competitors. Let's take a look at what your competitors are doing and why making a change is so important for your business through your website. And just as a reminder, Ahrefs, the tool that I'm using, is just a tool, so these numbers are based on their own algorithms. However, the real numbers from Google are actually almost always much higher. By generating this kind of traffic that I'm showing you, we will see the value in what I'm talking about. HoustonConcrete.com is one of your competitors. They do different types of work with concrete. Listed here. If you look at their keywords, 185 keywords versus ours, we had 41. Backlinks, 240 backlinks versus ours, we had 8 backlinks. They have a little more trust within their website. And then traffic flow, once again, per month on average, they're getting 239 visits to their website per month on average. Not just in total, but per month. We got 1 currently on average, but that can change. Level Concrete, another website that is a competitor of ours. They have different things that they do here, but one main thing they do is concrete repair and concrete work. 1,400 keywords, 149 backlinks. So backlinks in itself, 149. that was more than our 8, but it was less than their 240. So once again, the better the backlink, the more trusted the backlink, the less you need to have, but the stronger and more credible it is to Google. Traffic for this one, 463 visits to their website per month. It's pretty awesome for Level Concrete. So you see the different span of where we can go here with putting some effort into, or putting more effort into some optimization of your online presence. By generating this kind of traffic through their website and Google Business Profile, let's say the conversion rate of people actually calling their business was just 10%. 10% of 463 calls is 46 calls. And if they close business deals at around 50% of those 46 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, Level Concrete is probably closing somewhere around 23 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. Not from word of mouth or any other thing, just from their online presence. Not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine an extra 23 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265 and my email is ajms4you@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps and have a great rest of your day.